Hi, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man, and today I'm really excited because not only is it the first day that we're going to be ringing barn owls in 2025, we're also going to be ringing the barn owls at the bottom of our garden. And not only that, we're going to be ringing a kestrel as well. So I'm super excited about this. I've already had a pre-check in the tower, so I know that the owls are ready for ringing. So let's go do it.
Oh,
Amazing.
his little hair just blowing in the wind. What is this?
First barn owl of the year, this.
I was like just proper looking at Sue. Ooh.
This is a male. Got no speckles underneath, so that's how you can tell it's a male bird. Right, next one. Delivery. This is a female, this. Got some very light freckling on it there. Female. It seems like, feels like the wind's calmed down a bit, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure there's no gaps in the rings.
This one is the fast.
85.
Four.
405 grams, this one.
Yeah, it's great.